which we don't see, which our eye don't see. So yesterday, after all is said and done, when I said they were arresting a lot of protesters, me and Oloye, one of my managers, I say, let's go to Lekki and see what is happening there. So we got in the car, and I drive straight to Lekki. But on our way, calling comrades on ground, Wise Man was already hiding in one in one community. Saying they for only rules, police don't surround the whole community. They find them, So basically, there was nobody at the protest side. Police had arrested most people. So when they carried them go, I called another very strong. See, before I go on about this story, we Nigerian people need to know, say, there are so many heroes, unsung heroes, in this our liberation struggle. One of the two names I mentioned now, Comrade Ogunlano and Comrade Ademiluyi, they are both lawyers. And these guys, I have to say that their commitment, towards the struggle of Nigerian people, I can only but be in awe of such dedication. I can only be in awe of such, courage. These guys are not the richest lawyer. Their law firms they don't get any big cases because of this. Because they know. All the big lawyers you see, even the ones we love, they have money because they protect all these criminal politicians from going to jail. Trust me, everybody, all of them get criminal politicians. But this one, they know they greed, they're only for the people. So I have to give them big kudos before I continue. Anyway, so I can't call Comrade Ademiluyi, but I say, in the inside boss, in trying to reach Adeniji, that everybody has been taken to Adeniji at the Lake police station. So I tell you, there's no need for us to go and be looking at ourselves in toll gates. Let's see what we can do to get our comrades out of the. So we go Adeniji. On my way to Adeniji yesterday, I see one rice. I chop one kind of local rice for that street. I'm coming back for that rice. Anyway, we go to the police station, but luckily for me, I saw Macaroni's brother, Laiton. They don't beat Laiton well too. They don't cut in chain. He was even say, "So let's just leave here." Let's say no. But I go and say no. We don't need to go inside because nobody there. So because they don't move, all the people go for Panti now. So they had left Adeniji and they're taking them to Panti without anybody knowing that they were in Panti. And let's thank the ancestors. Say, me, man, due to good behavior, we get people everywhere. So luckily now, I seen there for Panti. I say, okay, fine, let's get to Panti to go and see what's going on there. So I was lucky enough to get to Panti to see the people. I may see Macaroni first, I think, because nobody had been able to see him since they arrested him. So I tell them, say, we must see him to make sure all of them get alright. It's nothing don't do them. But by the time I saw him, they had tortured him. Basically, what do I call it? I can't call it abuse because they had arrested him and they started beating him. So that's torture. I give him, the guys, that's the struggle, So we felt really bad for them. But now, here's what was sinister about what was going on yesterday. You see, as they don't move them from Adeniji to Panti, nobody know wetin dey happen. And this was a Saturday. Let's remember, this was a Saturday. State government don't already arrange magistrates for the Panti police station. Prosecutors don't dey on their way to come there to charge those boys. And the whole charge sheet where they get there, all a misdemeanor. All a misdemeanor offense. There was no felony charge. So now some people say the future talk say, well, okay, everybody, though they don't hold them for some hours, then they free them. No, that's not what they did though. They wanted to charge them by force. In case, because some of those boys might not get the 100,000. With the 100,000 naira bail each person they give yesterday. You understand? And if a whole Macaroni could not use his phone to call anybody, Macaroni man no say magistrate don't dare outside. They wait for him. Now, I don't understand. They wanted to remand all these boys. That was the plan yesterday. More than forgot all those live. We commissioner they go live for newspaper say they release the protesters. That's because we catch their moves. They were going to remand all those boys to Kidikri. That was their plan. You know, but luckily for me, I was able to get Ayo on the phone again. Ademiluyi. I was able to get Comrade Ogulano. You know, so when they come see the lawyers they come, their hand fall. But me, I run come up for the panty because they say the commissioner of police was now on his way. In fact, the police will say make I come up because everybody knows the man doesn't like me. Before he make the matter worse, I didn't want to make their matter worse. You know, so I left. But by the time I left, I was sure that most people were going to be released. You know, we had put everything in place. So now the way the whole yesterday go be that. You know, and so for everybody that is always shouting, protest, this, that, well, all of us, if all of us dey inside jail yesterday now, who will bail who? Who will find the lawyer? Who will find who for where they dey? Because yesterday, apart from Macaroni, I didn't see anybody else involved on ground. I didn't see anybody. I mean, I'm not talking about protesting, but I'm talking about, okay, now we know so they don't hold our people. And this is what they do now for all of us. So how can people get up from their homes and start looking for their brothers everywhere? I didn't understand that yesterday. It's just the way I would say, you know, it's not about bravery or say the most courageous. But now that we know that, okay, our brothers are held here, held there, they need us, but where were we? You know? So, also, just like the way, you know, we call everybody to come protest for Lekki, everybody go protest, everybody go stand for Lekki, but the day where army go come kill the people, none of us did there with the people. The people were left on their own. You understand? So we need to change that. You know, everybody they tell me, they say, I don't go, don't. What will you say don't go? Our people are being held down. How can we not go? That's the time. I mean, we must be there. You know, if we call people for something, not only when we dey on top, now we go dey there. When our people are also now in the face of danger, now we must dey there now we must do bulletproof for them. Because it should be harder for the forces of this government to shoot a Seun Kuti than some bus conductor or some poor man or some struggling citizen that has been abused all his life. Now we be their protection now. It was said Macaroni did that cell with those boys yesterday. So they no arrest them. So they for do those when they for do those boys yesterday for pass down one. You understand? For pass down one. So in a way, as it be, we are also the protector of our own people. When the people rise up for us, they come out for us. We must be there for them too. So just like yesterday, it was kind of weird that there was nobody there apart from me. I felt weird for that. Say party yesterday, but we do am. Only me. I handled them. It was okay. But next time, we need more people. We need more of our influencers. We need more people to show face, to be on ground at such times. As everybody know for Nigeria, me, I'm not really interested in protest. Fuck a protest, really. Because what are we protesting for? I don't believe say we as young African people now, as oppressed people in Nigeria, must be at the level of organizing. For October, everybody they shout, organize. Now that MOP is organizing, we are working, there's no that same enthusiasm supporting the organization. You understand? So we must follow through now what we need. We don't put down the gauntlet. This government has been defeated socially. We don't let them know, so we don't remove them from our heart. But we must not do the political work. We must do the political work because nobody will do it for us. Nobody will do it for us. So what I mean by when I say the law and the wickedness, let's talk to the police real quick. Now the police they take arrest everybody, take do all those things.